How to change name on Candy Crush. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your name on Candy Crush. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your Candy Crush. After you've opened up your Candy Crush, make sure that you're logged into your account. Tap on play. And after you've tapped on play, normally people will go in the settings to change their name. But don't do that. Head over to this icon, that is your profile icon on the middle top. After you tap on it, you should find your name here and a pencil icon. Tap on the pencil icon and now you will be able to just change your name. So just change your name to whatever you want and tap on save. After you do that, your name will be changed in your Candy Crush. And it's that simple. That is how you can change your name on Candy Crush. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.